Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the proximity sensor test comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus Mi 11X device. The phone which has got the proximity sensor and the phone which doesn't have any kind of proximity sensor in the Mi 11X device. So the reason why I'm doing this kind of video is because I'm getting few comments regarding the Mi 11X device that few of the users, for them the proximity sensor is not working properly in the Mi 11X device. Yes, I'm getting a few comments, and out of 10 comments, 9 of the comments I'll be getting related to the Mi 11X device, and rare I will get comments on the Realme X1 Max, because I'll try to explain you. This is a quite advantage, friends, when the phones have the physical proximity sensor rather than having depending on other different type of sensors. I'll try to explain you clearly what is going on in this scenario. So there's application which is called the sensor test application, and there are a lot of other sensor test application which is available in the Play Store. So once you download those applications, there's an option which is called the proximity option, as you can see. So this will turn off when you cover the proximity sensor physically. So right now there's a proximity sensor going on, and you can actually see the light blinking as well. As you can see, small light which is blinking, that's called the proximity sensor. So whenever you cover it, it will get activated and the light will get turned off, as you can see. So in this case, out of 100%, 99% there won't be any issues. That 1% why I left, because sometimes because of the software issues there can be issue. Sometimes if you don't place the tempered glass or maybe a screen card protector properly, if you cover the sensor, sometimes even those kind of things will cause issues with the proximity sensor. So make sure to adjust the tempered glass exactly downwards a little bit, not upon that, because sometimes it may block the proximity sensor as well. But right now there's no issues in my unit, as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. So in this case, I did not have any kind of problem in the Realme X1 Max. I did not even encounter any issues regarding the proximity sensor in this device. Not only in this device, few other Realme phones as well. But the thing is that recently there's a trend going on that without giving any kind of physical proximity sensor, they're trying to rely on different sensors. For example, same kind of situation even in the Poco F3 GT. Yes friends, even in the Poco F3 GT also there is no physical sensor. That's kind of shocking to see why the companies are doing like this. I mean, it's kind of okay, but not it's kind of okay in all the scenarios. So it should be really good to have physical sensor rather than depending on other sensors. Right now, as you can see, if I try to cover, the light won't turn off because there is no sensor. You can see clearly there's no light blinking, nothing at all. So there's no sensors at all on the Mi 11X device. That's the reason why few of the users, they're actually facing these issues regarding the proximity issues. But recent with the updates, it got little bit better, because in the before it used to be a lot worse, but after the MIUI enhanced updates, it got slightly fixed. Out of 100%, maybe 75% got okay. Still 25% sometimes when I'm trying to make the WhatsApp calls, it doesn't work properly. So WhatsApp and Messenger calls and even other calls I did try. Right now, as you can see, friends, so when I try to lift the phone in certain angle and if I try to cover, then proximity sensor works. As you can see clearly, you can see the delay. Sometimes it's kind of delay will be there. So it's kind of physical sensor is really good to have rather than this type of sensor. Sometimes the screen will get completely locked. Sometimes, yes friends, sometimes. Right now, as you can see, I'm not even covering the phone. Okay, I'm not covering the phone, but you can see how the proximity sensor is still on at this moment, because it's relying on the different type of sensor, which is accelerometer sensor or other sensor, gyroscope sensor, but still you can see how it's behaving sometimes. So this is what happens when sometimes it doesn't work properly regarding the proximity sensor. That's what I thought of demonstrating in this video, just to mention clearly what is going on with the proximity sensor. So recently, only few companies, they are implementing this kind of physical sensor. Physical sensor is most important rather than having this kind of other sensors. This is a very basic thing. This is a very basic thing they should include in the smartphones instead of skipping them. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. And it's not like there is no space for that. So there's a lot of space, but still they're not including. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. I thought of making a video because few users are really concerned that there's some problem with the Mi 11X device, but just to bring an awareness, I did upload the video. So the people who are using, so this is not the phone problem. This by default, everyone will be maybe facing this kind of issues. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.